Back in the day, it was very hard for a regular person like you and me to invest in the companies of their choices because they were limited on information and they had to call a broker to make a trade over the phone. I can't even start to discuss how hard it was to invest before the telephone was accessible for everyone. Stay with me, I am going somewhere with this. In 2008, the recession happened in the United States, and the country went through an economic hardship, which affected the rest of the world. The 2008 recession was created by banks lending money to home buyers without checking whether they could pay back. Due to the carelessness of banks, many people lost a lot of money and many companies went bankrupt. The 2008 recession lasted from December 2007 to June 2009. Stocks, real estate, and businesses were at discount, and people who sit on cash during the 2008 recession could buy those stressed assets at a very low price. The Great Recession of 2008 was an excellent opportunity for people who wanted to invest in real estate, stocks, and other investments because everything was at a discount. However, most people did not invest because they lost their jobs and money through real estate and stocks and were fearful. But people who invest through the 2008 Great Recession and held on to their investment for a while were able to get out of debt and retire early, or at least work because they wanted to. As a result of banks' failure to protect people's money, Bitcoin was born, and it was the first cryptocurrency. People called it a scam because it was the first time to see a decentralized currency built on blockchain. Since the beginning of the humankind, trades and currency were always regulated by governments or kingships. But Bitcoin was and is still not regulated by any government, which made people call it a scam. But the truth is, Bitcoin was created to be the currency controlled by the people and to be used as a hedge against inflation. People who were old enough to invest in Bitcoin and decided not to invest in it missed out on the best investment of all the time. In 2010, Bitcoin was at 9 cents, and on November 8th of 2021, BTC reached its all-time high of 67,566 and 83 cents. If you had invested $100 in Bitcoin at 9 cents back in 2010, it would be worth over $75 million at Bitcoin's all-time high in 2021. If you paid attention to what I said, the previous greatest wealth transfer was during the 2008 financial crisis, because people who bought stocks, businesses, and real estate came ahead financially after the recession was over. Today, we are in a soft recession, and every economist believes that the worst is yet to come due to the inflation, high gas prices, high interest, and the war in Ukraine. People stop spending when the government raises interest rates, which slows the economy. The government is trying hard to control the inflation, but it can only do that by slowing the economy by raising interest rates. Here's what a smart money will do in times like this. First, pay off all your credit cards balance and other debts you might have. Your money can go far if the interest rates eat them out. Once you pay off your debts, go heavy on cash. I know this is against everything I've been teaching about investing and making money. But once the hard recession comes next year, you will be able to take advantage of the cheapest crypto assets like Solana, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polygon, and other crypto assets you couldn't buy otherwise. As the market going down, heading in high recession, you should start cost averaging down because it is hard to know when the market will hit the bottom. The next thing you should do is to choose fewer assets to buy because you don't want to have a few dollars in many different cryptocurrencies. The same goes for the stocks. I am a big fan of diversifying because it reduces the risks. However, you won't make that much profit if you are over-diversified. Depending on how much capital you have at your disposal, choose between 5 and 10 assets of your choice and grow them as we go through the recession. When the cryptocurrency bull market comes, you will be happy you invested. This is a great time to start buying for the next bull market or post-recession bull run because it will be massive. Remember, crypto is new and can be risky compared to the stock market. This is why you should always research before investing in any crypto assets or any investment at all. I strongly believe that Some cryptos, especially the small ones with no case of users, will go out of business in the next hard recession. Pick your investment carefully. Check out the crypto exchange links in the description to start investing in a cryptocurrency. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more contents like this. As always, I will see you in the next one.